We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes C220 CDI AMG Sport, low mileage, lovely condition, got front parking sensors, upgraded AMG alloy wheels, full AMG body styling kit, rear privacy glass, rear parking sensors, beautiful condition, original AMG carpet mats, half leather interior, electric windows, electric mirrors, auto headlights, paddle shift on the gearbox, multifunction steering wheel, some 87,497 miles, aircon, climate control, Bluetooth, sat nav ready, just needs a cartridge. DJH have full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.